Hello world, Frederica Darcy and Patricia O'Connor here. And this is just going to be a little short. That's why we're looking all crazy like this, all up in portrait mode. That's what that is, portrait mode. Portrait mode, like straight up is something fancy. Anyway, this is another PDO moment with a little Japanese black pine. When I potted these up, I wasn't just going to pot them up. I wanted to pot them up and put a little bit of motion in them. And I put a little motion in some of them when I was inspired, and I put a little motion in some of them when it came time to pot them up. And it was about potting up a bunch of trees. So now I'm kind of going back and doing what I call PDO, which stands for two things. Please do over and Patricia Doyle O'Connor. And that is what this little tree looks like after my PDO moment. And thank you so much for watching.